Welcome back. I'm Vijaya, understanding US and Canadian immigration law and what it means for you with the NPZ Law Group, a full-service immigration and nationality law firm right here in New Jersey, New York, Indiana, Florida, Canada, and India. And David Nachman joins me again. He's the managing attorney and founder at NPZ Law. David, can individuals who do not cohabitate obtain the green card based on marriage?
Yeah, it's a great question. And before I get into it, I just want to greet our listeners by saying Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, and Kem Cho.
Yes.
To you and
Thank you.
all our Radio Mirchi listeners. Mm-hmm. And it's a question that we frequently get because, of day-to-day realities of the folks who are doing marriage cases. And this probably goes to one of the recent cases which I handled that was approved, where the individuals did not cohabitate. They lived on two sides of the country. One individual lived in New York. The other one lived in California.
Long distance marriage.
They were long distance marriage. But, that's the realities of today. And, folks get, jobs with, large financial institutions in New York. And, and then we have the other person who lives and, in Silicon Valley. And, and so does that mean that it's not a bona fide marital relationship, which is really the test of whether or not, an immediate relative case can go through? And so it's helpful, obviously, if they're cohabitating, but it's not what is absolutely required to demonstrate, a bona fide marital relationship. So a bona fide marital relationship could be proven by several other items, such as joint financial responsibility, such as a joint bank account. It could be receiving mail in both names at what is the marital residence. It's tremendously helpful when you have individuals who are separated, such as the ones I've mentioned, on two coasts, where if they're going back and forth and meeting either in the middle or flying, one flying to New York and the other one flying to San Francisco. And proving that they're doing that. So, maintaining copies of the airline tickets, copies of the hotel bills, if that's where they're staying, getting affidavits from friends or relatives that can attest to the bona fides of the marital relationship. But again, things like filing a joint tax return, on an annual basis and using the marital residence. So there's a tremendous amount that we as NPZ Law Group lawyers can do to assist individuals who do have a situation like that, where it's a long-distance marriage, as you rightfully say, that we can help to garner the evidence that's necessary to prove the bona fides of the marital relationship, notwithstanding the fact that, you are not cohabitating. So I can tell you that so many people, who consult with me, and I think I speak for the other lawyers here at NPZ, that they think that when they think that if they're not cohabitating, that they can't do their case. Yeah. But that's not, in fact, the case at all. So
good to know that distance doesn't really determine the bona fides of a marriage. Exactly.
Really? And it's about getting the right evidence to be able to prove that it is, in fact, a bona fide marital relationship.
Yeah, very well put, David. Thank you for enlightening us on that. I was also one of those who thought that, staying together was what made it. But thank you. Heartening to note that that is not in place with the right evidence, right? So thank you for that. That's David Nachman of the NPZ Law Group, providing counsel to companies and individuals worldwide on complex US and Canadian immigration and nationality law issues. Call them today and mention Mirchi for a special discount. You can call them at 201-670-00 0006 or simply visit visaserve.com. And of course, time for that big thank you to all of the attorneys, David Nachman, Gaganjot Mundra, Ludka Zimovchek, and Snehal Batra and Samantha Oberstein in absentia for sparing that valuable time for the community and making the law simple for the layperson. I'm Vijaya. Join us every other Wednesday, 4 to 5 p.m. for continued insights on immigration from the NPZ Law Group. For now, stay tuned to Mirchi. It's hot.